this is an iPhone. Not any iPhone, this is the first iPhone. The first iPhone to ever come out. And the one thing you notice about this iPhone is its unique design. Now it has this all metal build up here, and then it has this huge plastic section down here, which is kind of like a cap, but just on the other way. Now, why this design element was chosen was because all the antenna for the Wi-Fi, the data and everything was down here. So in modern iPhones, we have those lines. So if you look at any iPhone 6 or 7, there's going to be lines on the metal, which basically act as the antenna gateway, so that allows signals to come out and go in. The iPhone 2G took the first generation iPhone, or the 2G, or whatever you want to call it. It took a very different approach. It just put on a black cap here, and honestly, it looks very unique. It's like nothing else out there. Until date, this design just looks so different. Now this is an iPhone 8 Plus. Now this iPhone 8 Plus is your standard space gray with nothing much going for it. Now, what I thought was, one day when I was going through Slick Wraps, it's a skin website, I saw this combination where you could have your iPhone look like an iPhone 2G, and guess what? You can have a skin that will do that. And I was like, wow, I really have to get my hands on this to see what it's like. Now, I did, and here's the skin. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be putting on this skin and seeing what it looks like and how it compares to this phone. So instead of boring you guys like I usually do with the entire install process, I'm not going to be doing that. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be creating a nice little time lapse for you guys so you guys can see the install process, and then I'll just compare the final result and tell you what it got, and you guys can decide for yourself what it looks like and if you'd ever want to do this to your phone. So before I get started, let me just show you this material. It's very nice. It's a reflective metallic design, so it replicates this as much as possible without being metal itself. So I mean, you can't get this metallic finish on a skin however much you try, but it looks fairly good. So let me put it on this phone, on the 8 Plus, and let's see what it looks like. So let's get right into the install process. So here it is. Here is the final finished product, and I have to say it looks very cool. It's actually one of the coolest skins I've ever had on any phone I've ever owned, and this really does bring back memories from the OG iPhone. And I'm actually loving the silver. It looks really good. So just on its own, it would look really good on any phone, but with this kind of theme going on here, it looks even better. So overall, I'm very satisfied with this. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Would you put this kind of skin on your own phone? Let me know. If you want to see more content around this phone or just generally about tech, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more coming. Follow me on social media if you want to. I have all the links down in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.